Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python in easy way step by step. Start by installing Python, opening a simple editor, and creating your first file to run a print statement. Next, learn variables, data types, and simple control flow with short, hands-on examples that you can run in minutes. Practice small tasks daily and build confidence by solving tiny problems that grow into real skills. Focus on core concepts with relaxed repetition and quick projects you enjoy. Start by practicing lists and dictionaries, then write functions that solve clear tasks and return results. Use loops and comprehensions for concise data work and run small tests to confirm behavior. Tackle tiny bugs calmly, read errors, and adjust code step by step so you build reliable habits and feel steadily more capable with each short session. This is a quick pause to ask you to subscribe and like if this guide helps you learn Python. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy companion for long coding sessions and focused study. I placed the product link and other deals in the description so you can find it easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Pick practical mini projects that match your interests and complete them end to end. A calculator, file parser, or simple automation teaches input handling, looping, and working with files. Keep each project tiny so you finish and reflect on lessons learned, then add one new feature at a time. Share results, get feedback, and refactor code to improve clarity and style as you build confidence and a growing portfolio.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.